So you have a Fitbit Inspire 2 or the HR and you have an issue where it's not charging. I'm going to give you guys several solutions to get you up and running. So first thing, note that mine right here is working, okay? So if I go ahead and pull it out, but let's pretend it's not working, okay? But if it is working, as soon as I pop it on here, onto the charger, you should see the battery icon come up and you should see the battery keep moving up, okay? Now, it doesn't matter if your watch is still on, it just doesn't charge, or if it's completely dead, black screen, you get nothing on it, okay? So first thing is this. What I want you to do is make sure that you plug it in properly, okay? And you want to match the pins, okay? Because you can put it in upside down and it'll still snap, but it's not going to charge. You want to make sure the pins are on here. So go ahead and pop that on here, and then go ahead and let it sit there for like 5 minutes, okay? After 5 minutes, I'm going to come back and I want you to see if you have this battery icon going up now. Now, even if you don't even get a battery icon, or maybe yours is completely dead, with it still on the charger charging, what I want you to do is this. Let's just pretend mine's completely dead here. I have a black screen. What I want you to do is leave it on the charger, and I want you to press and hold the side button and keep holding it until you get a smiley face, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. I just felt it vibrate. Keep holding. Pretend mine is totally dead, black screen, whatever. I'm still holding onto this button. I'm not going to let go until I see a smiley face appear. Still holding here. Still holding. There's a smiley face. Go ahead and let go. And now, once it's booted back up, go ahead and see if it takes a charge now, okay? You can go ahead and take it off. And we can just go ahead and pop it back on and see if you get a battery icon here with it moving up like that, okay? Now, if you're still down, next thing I want you to do is this. Wherever you're plugged into, pull it out and plug it into somewhere else, okay? I want you to go ahead and plug this in. For example, plug it into your computer, your laptop USB port, and then I want you to sit there and wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, while it's plugged in and charging, I want you to come back to it, and I want you to do the same thing. I want you to press and hold the side button. Do not let go until you see a smiley face logo appear. Then go ahead and let go, and then go ahead and unclamp it, clamp it back, and see that if it's taking a charge. If it's still not working, then take it out of your laptop and plug it like somewhere else. You have a USB port, or if you have like one of these wall adapters, plug that in here, plug it into the your wall socket, wait 5 minutes, let it charge, and then do the same thing. After 5 minutes, press and hold that side button and wait till you see a smiley face, and then go ahead and let go, and then unclamp, clamp it back, unclamp, put the charger back on there, and then see if it's charging. Let me pop that back on here. Pop it on there. Make sure it's on like correctly. So let me pop that back on here. Oh, sorry, the battery icon's not gonna come on because obviously I don't even have it like plugged in, okay? Anyway, if that's still not working, then we're gonna go to the next step here. So with the next step, now it's possible that your sensor's back here or the connection to the charger, there could be dirt, dust, or something on there, okay? Or like sweat, smudge, or lotion. What I want you to do is just grab your thumb, and we'll start on the phone here. With the sensors here, I just want you to rub it like this. Rub it back and forth a few times. And then I want you to do the same thing to the charger here. Go ahead and rub it a few times. And I just plugged in my charger. And then go ahead and plug it back in. Make sure it's in correctly. Go ahead and pop it in there. You should feel it vibrate right away. And you should see that battery come up there. And it's moving up, okay? I wanted to mention, we're going to go to the next step, but really fast, that it's possible that your charger is actually defective, okay? You can always buy a replacement one of these. They're very inexpensive on Amazon, okay? Anyway, so if that last step didn't work, next thing I want you to do is this. Go ahead and grab some alcohol, okay? It doesn't matter what kind of alcohol that you have. Just grab any kind of alcohol, and then I want you to go ahead. Yeah, you can go ahead and grab like a Q-tip, or just grab like a paper towel. And then what I want you to do is just dab a little bit on there. And then what I want you to do first thing is go ahead and grab your watch on the sensors here. I just want to give you a couple swipes. Let it air dry a little bit. And the same thing with the charger as well. Okay, those pins right there. Give it a nice blow. Wait till it's like nice and dry. And then go ahead and pop it back on there. And hopefully you see the battery icon with it moving up. Now the thing is, if you're still down, if it's still not working for you, then go ahead and try every single step again. Try it 4, 5, 6 more times, okay? Anyway, this helped you, give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down. I'm going to say this is going to help at least 60% of you guys, okay? Good luck.